7 sugars.
1 3 7.
Is this on?
Test.
Knock, knock. Hello?
I've taken my vows and my curtain calls. You brought me fame and fortune and everything that goes with it.
I want on a pan pot.
What, the echo? Yeah. Can you remember which vocals, which solos we used?
Well, if you hear them, then I'll know.
Because here we've got 4 tracks of vocals, one with a solo guitar, and then that's got N-bit solo.
Well, listen to them, darling. That's the only way we can do it.
Time after time.
That's your writing, isn't it, that one?
No, it's all Mike's. What are you doing
I'm
now?
just going to get a rough balance, okay?
There must be more than one. These, oh, that's the one, I think. There are 2 guitars.
Yeah.
But there's 2 guitars. One crosses over.
Right,
Do you remember?
Yes, I remember.
And that one is. Go back to the other place and then you find out.
Just the last chorus.
Go
No.
back to the beginning.
Do you want to do a guitar?
Something, you know,
I suppose we
would
could.
sound different.
Do you want to do a guitar bit in there? Squeeze it in. Work out your guitars, then you can mix.
Where are they?
Roger, do you want to come in here and just do...
Kit.
Yeah.
Back to cylinders.
What do you think for sounds? I mean, I think we should just...
Yeah, it sounds alright to me.
He's only done drum sounds at the moment.
Sounds right, doesn't it?
Oh, well, that's right. Sounds alright to me.
What was a roadie?
Oh, let's open a bottle of wine.
Yes, well, where is the screwdriver?